In this video I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Monzo account, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's get started. If you prefer to deposit physical cash into your Monzo account, you have the option to do so at any of the 28,000 PayPoint locations scattered across the UK. To complete a cash deposit, you just have to locate a store that displays the PayPoint logo. Then inform the shopkeeper of your intention to add funds to your Monzo card and specify the desired amount. Hand over your Monzo card and the cash to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper will swipe your card and return it to you, along with the receipt. It's important to note that Monzo applies a £1 fee for processing the deposit, which helps cover the service cost. For instance, if you deposit £10, Monzo will credit £9 to your account. Additionally, please be aware that it may take around 10 minutes for the deposited funds to reflect in your account. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.